Hi y'all, welcome to Chef LeBron. Today we're going to be doing a quick product review. We got this KitchenAid 17-piece tool and gadget set, and we wanted to unbox it and see how it works as we cook one of our favorite steaks. Let's begin. So we were looking to buy a can opener and a vegetable peeler as well as a spatula. So as we were searching around, we thought, hey, let's just get the biggest bang for our buck and get a whole gadget set, and so that everything matches. So we're looking forward today to try out these tongs as well as the spatula, and then also just get a feel for the other gadgets and tools. It says that these are heat resistant to 450 degrees. And I think with making a steak, that'll put these utensils to the test. Go ahead and open this up. See what we got going on. As you see, when you open it up, it has all this protective plastic around each utensil, for the most part. And take them all out. As I open them up, everything's kind of plastic, and there are some kind of rubber fittings on top of these spoons. Everything's nice and clearly labeled. They're plastic. I don't know what else to say about it. They feel all right, though I would suspect that they're probably going to scratch quite a bit. That's my guess, because I like to use things. So today we're going to be using the spatula to give the steaks a flip, and it's textured plastic, and it has a little bit of weight to it, but it is fairly lightweight. It has this nice angle to it, so I'm hoping that that'll really have good contact with the pan. Let's take a look at some of the other things we're going to use. I know we want to use the tongs. So, the tongs seem all right. They seem like they mostly should probably be used for salads, I suspect. But there are going to be some points in the cooking process where I want to get the steak on its side, so I'm going to see if this melts or not. It says it's heat resistant, so hopefully it doesn't. This is the cheese grater, and actually I've been wanting one of these for a while, because I have a little mini one, but I really want something a little bigger so I could use that, and this feels pretty good. Take a look at the peeler. It has this chrome detail on it. I imagine it probably will get scratched. Just taking a look at it and knowing how my use of things is. I kind of wish that these were a little heavier, to be honest. They feel a little cheaper because they're not really weighted. It'd be good when you're trying to mix something to have it be lightweight, but it also makes it feel a little cheaper. I do like that for cleaning, this is one handle, so there won't be things getting caught in crevices for the spoons and the spatula. So I do appreciate that about the design, because I've had a lot of utensils where it has a attached handle and it'll get rusty or kind of yucky in those crevices. So I'm hoping that in terms of cleanup, it'll be a little bit better. These look all right. Nothing specifically great about them, but I mean, it's nice that there's the rubber grip on it, but again, it looks like it's made all right. And then finally, the can opener. I've been looking forward to getting a can opener that has more of a handle to it and feels more substantial and sturdy. And this actually does feel more weighted, which I like. It has a little, hear something when you shake it, I don't know why. But it looks like it's gonna be a vast improvement to what I have. I'll show you what I have. This is kind of the most basic can opener that you could get. So this is definitely an improvement in terms of, you know, having a firm handle and, you know, the gears here look a lot sharper, and so I'm looking forward to using that. So I'd say overall, each of these items feel like, you know, I can use them, but, you know, they don't feel very luxurious, I'd say that. But this was more affordable. You're getting a lot for your buck in terms of the variety of items that you're getting in one utensil set. So I am looking forward to using them. I think they will be useful, but you know, you do get what you pay for. I'm just gonna pour a little oil in the pan. A little bit. So we have our steaks, filet mignon. Put that in the pan. Let's give our steaks a flip. I'll take the tongs and see if I can get that on its side. Set a timer for 3 minutes and then we'll give it a flip. Oven is at 425, so the pan should be 425. So let's take a look at the tongs and see how they're doing. They look okay. Let's take these out. Now, gonna throw some butter in the pan, as well as 2 cloves of garlic. That's the base. Give the steaks a flip. Oh yeah. So we got a lovely meal for 2. I'd say that these withstood the heat, which was good. It's good to see that. And I guess all that's left is to wash these off. So I gave these a wash and they feel good. I'd say so far so good. This was just one use out of them, but it was fairly high heat. It says on the box that they'll withstand 450 degrees. I'd say that these worked out well so far, and only time will tell.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we're going to eat our steak. See you next time. Bye.